If you wanted to get into electronics, you'll probably out looking for a starter kit. As for me, a complete beginner, I wanted something simple and cheap, just to have something to begin tinkering with. I came across this ELEGOO Mega R3, which is based on the Arduino platform. You can get it for $65 or less on online stores like Amazon. It's a microcontroller board where you can connect components like sensors to receive inputs and turn them into outputs like switching on LEDs. There's a lot of projects to do with this kit to keep you busy for a while. Let's take a look what's inside. First off, we have the microcontroller board. It comes with a USB cable for power and data transfer. We also got an adapter and a battery with snap-on connector. We have one LCD module that can display 2 lines with 16 characters. One RFID module, a prototype expansion module where you can build and test your circuits before creating the permanent version. A power supply module, one GY 521 module which has a chip with 3-axis gyroscope and accelerometer, a digital motion processor used in robotics navigation. Servo Motor, commonly found in robotics and automation for precise control of angular or linear position. Stepper motor, a motor that rotates in a series of small angular steps, commonly used in robotics, 3D printers, and CNC machines. One stepper motor driver module. PIR Motion Sensor module detects changes in infrared radiation, commonly used in security systems. Sound sensor module can be used in voice recognition or to detect and trigger alarms in security systems. Water level detection sensor module. Ultrasonic sensor emits sound waves to detect objects and measure distances. One RTC module for time and date tracking. A Rotary Encoder module often used in volume control. Temperature and humidity module useful for agricultural applications. IR receiver module to receive signal from a remote control. One joystick module. Remote control with battery. MAX7219 Module, integrated circuit used to control LED dot matrix displays. 1-digit 7-segment display. A 4-digit 7-segment display. L293D, a motor driver IC to control DC motors or stepper motors. 74HC595, a shift register to expand the output capabilities of microcontrollers. Active buzzer beeps when connected to a power source, while passive buzzer makes a specific frequency signal to make it beep. A potentiometer is used to control voltage, current, and signal levels. A relay is used to control a high-power circuit with a low-power signal, used in automotive and industrial machinery. Fan blade, a motor, one membrane switch module, a breadboard to build and test circuits, jumper wires for your temporary connections, female to male DuPont wires, resistors with 10 different resistance, one thermistor to measure, monitor, and control temperature. Diode Rectifier, used to convert AC to DC on battery chargers and power supplies. Capacitors store electrical energy like a battery and release it when needed to minimize voltage fluctuations. Transistors act as electronic switches and amplifiers. Control the flow of current or amplify weak signals. Tilt ball switch is an orientation sensor. Completes the circuit when tilted at a certain angle. We have buttons. We have single color LEDs. RGB LEDs. And lastly, we have photoresistors. The resistance changes when exposed to light. It can be used as light activated switch, for example, street lights. And that's all the components we have in this kit. Next, we'll look at the lessons included in the support files and build simple projects with these components. See you on the next one.